I think Denji he's very unique. He's very raw. Like compared to other shonen main characters, he's cut from a different cloth. Would you agree?
Yeah, I mean, I think the thing that I love the most about him, I could go on about this for a long time, but I think that one of the biggest differentiating factors from him and almost any character in most media is he's so purely honest, whether that's a good or bad thing. You know, so often characters will say one thing, but they're really guarding what they're actually saying with another intention. And Denji doesn't have that filter. He doesn't have the time to waste with that, and he doesn't have that level of. He values things immediately, so he can kind of see through the bullshit, for lack of a better term, which I love. I think I mean, you think about someone in a position like that where he's never been treated with any kind of affection, he has zero education, and all of the circumstances that you find him in, then throwing him into the world in this way, if anything, he's doing what I think is a pretty incredible job at, becoming a human for someone who's never had those experiences. And I think even the things that people might look at as selfish are things that almost everybody feels and thinks, and I feel like he's kind of a sounding board for a lot of us in a lot of ways. There's so much that I understand about the choices and the decisions that he makes, and there's a great line that he has after he fights with Aki in the alley when, he says, maybe I'm not thinking this whole thing through, but I would die for this life, because he's finally been given a chance to actually experience the world and be himself. And when you see him at his core, when you see him with Pochita talking to him on the log, that's who Denji is. He is this deeply loving, emotional, layered person who does not know how to even fully express the feelings he has because of the lack of education. But he's an incredibly deep and beautiful soul, I think. His instinct is to be accepting and loving and welcoming. And, he really only is going to bring out the blades if he has to. If he thinks you're a baddie, then sure, But I think otherwise I don't think he thinks in good or bad. I think he just thinks about surviving.
Just think in the moment, basically.
Just the next day, make it to the next moment.
I still say he's beautiful, even before or after the kick in the crown jewels. Sorry, I had to go there.
You had to go there, didn't you? There's been so many kicks in the crown jewels in that whole anime.
It's nuts or nothing.
That's